the best DNA testing kits. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. MyHeritage. You can check your ancestry from the database of 8 billion people. The method is very easy. You can send the sample by doing a cheek swab, and the leader in discovering ancestral origins industry will give you the most authentic results. Ancestry. The largest database of users with 20 billion people attached in the database. You get access to the huge database, and with the help of saliva samples, you can get the true and authentic ancestry link in the world. LivingDNA. A more sophisticated DNA test that offers you to provide a sample through a cheek swab and get the results from the database of the British and Irish records available. The data and results are authenticated to the highest level of accuracy. GPSorigins. When you want to map your roots in the geographical regions, a simple cheek swab will give you the precision geographic mapping of your roots. Without any hassle, get the most authenticated results to know who your ancestors were and where they came from. VitaGene. Health screening and preventative wellness is the surety of this service when you provide the sample and get the results most efficiently. The knowledge of your roots helps you in looking for the supplements for your health. Click the link in the description to get more information. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.